Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here. Today is Sunday, August 29th, I believe, and we are closing up shop here in just a couple minutes on the farmer's market, and I have some leftover fruit. And being it's out Sunday and this fruit will not make it till next week, I am going to go home and set these guys up inside of the dehydrator. So I'll show you how to do this. I also have some fruit on the ground that had some bad spots that I didn't even want to bring to market, but I'll take those and cut the bad spots out and be dehydrating a bunch of fruit. So it's fruit and green beans this week, and I'll show you how to do it. And today we're going to discuss how to dehydrate peaches. This was the tree that I picked the peaches for the market this morning, and anything that had visible active worms in it or any too many blemishes or anything, I just went ahead and dropped or laid down on the ground here. So for the most part, these aren't too bad, but this one right here, yeah, I could not sell that with that mark, but I can easily cut this out and go ahead and use this particular peach right here for dehydration. So I'm going to go through all these on the ground here. I'm going to pick up the ones that are usable and wash them off, and then we'll go ahead and dehydrate them. So I'll show you washing off here in a minute. So the peaches, at least these peaches, have been washed. I rinsed them off real good, scrubbed them, and got anything off of the outside. I am using an Excalibur dehydrator, and I checked the directions online, and it's very simple. I can leave the skins on, so it says just go ahead and cut these about a 1/4 inch thick and put them in the Excalibrator for at 135 degrees for 8 to 12 hours, and then they should be done. So we're gonna go ahead. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and randomly pick one here. So I see a couple spots here. A bird picked at that one, so. And I'm just going to go ahead and I sliced all the way around, and it opens right up. So from here I can just pull the seed out. There's the spot right there. Hopefully, yeah, that showed up. And what I'll do is I'll just cut a whole wedge off that has that in it, so I end up with a good piece left. This will go, let's see, the peach meat will go to the chickens, and the pits will go out in the yard. I'll compost them or something. That's a pretty thick piece there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and chop these up, and they will go right onto the dehydrator tray here. Trying to get these done before I go to bed tonight. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll do this, and if I have room for more than this, I'll go ahead and wash up some more, and I'll fill 9 trays, hopefully, of peaches tonight. Okay, first tray is done. I had 1 full waist, actually looks like 2 full waist, and then bits and pieces of others that were bruised there. And I'm about half done with these, so I am definitely gonna have to clean up some others, some more peaches. So I doubt I'll use them all that I have in the house, but if I do, that would be awesome. Okay, we are 11 hours in, so I'm gonna go ahead and check on these. I expect the top ones to be done most, and they are. They're not sticky. Do have a little more moisture. I can just feel it in here. It feels more spongy right on the top, so they are going to go in for a little while longer. The ones, yeah, and these don't have it because they're thinner, so the thicker ones are going to have more sponginess, like this one right here. I can just feel it mushing around in the center. So I'm definitely going to let these things go for another hour or two, but the thin ones are ready to go. We are definitely coming along here. So last tray, no, this one has. Okay, so we're gonna go for another hour or two, and we'll check back then. So we're at about 16 hours and these guys are completely dry. There are no more wet spots in any of them that I've checked so far, so I'll check each one as I'm pulling them out. So what I'm going to do now is move them into a quart mason jar, and I'll just put a lid on top, and that keeps bugs out and everything else. And with the lid on top, it'll keep humidity out so that no additional humidity gets in. Hopefully they are completely dry. Actually, I know they are. And by keeping humidity out, that will keep them lasting longer. So I expect these things only to last a week or so. I'm going to take them and give them to some friends this weekend, so I don't expect them to last that long. But so this is just a little over 6 dozen peaches here, all dehydrated and ready to go. I had to use plastic bag on this one because I only have one mason jar down here. The others are up in the attic, and it's a sunny day and it's over 200 degrees. Well, I'm guessing it's over 200 degrees in the attic. I know it's very, very hot, and I will not go up there until tomorrow morning to grab a mason jar. So the plastic bag is just a temporary thing until I can get another mason jar tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, following us on Odyssey. Please click like and comment because that really helps our stats out. We would really appreciate it. And also, if you wouldn't mind sharing this, that would be great as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.